Hi friends, in the previous video we have seen the introduction of the DOM, so document object model. Now in this video we will see about the window object. Window object is the main thing in the DOM object model. So let's see what are the properties available in the window object. If you go to any tab in the Chrome website, if you open the developer tools here, so I will do it here. Okay, if you go to the console and you will be able to see the window. Okay, this is the window object which would be present in every web page. Now you can see you will be having one property known as inner width. Inner width, what it will do is it will give you the width of the web page. So whatever the web page it is present here, it will give you the width of the web page. And outer width, so you will be also having another one called as outer width. Outer width, what it will do is it will give you the width of the browser. So what the browser is present, it will give you the width of the browser, including the borders and all those things. It will give you the width of the browser. For example, if I move this one to the left, this side, and if I check now window.inner width, okay, now it is 1262 only. That means the web page, the Google page which is appearing here is in the resolution of 1262 only. So that is the reason window.inner width is 1262 only. Remaining 600, 700, 800, so it is covered by the developer tools. For example, if I decrease the developer tools here and if I do the inner width, it will be 1445. See, it has increased the resolution. So if you check the window.outer width, in this scenario, it will be always 1920. Okay, if you increase this one also, it will be always 1920 only. Why? Because means it is showing the entire width of the browser. It is not showing the width of the only web page. Inner width will give you only the width of the web page, but outer width will give you the entire width of the browser. Okay, in the same scenario, you will be having the window.inner height. Inner height, what it will do is it will give you the width of the height of the web page, and outer height, what it will be give the height of the browser. So outer height, if I give the outer height, it will give the 1040. Okay, right? So 1040 includes the location bar and everything, top tabs and everything it includes. Now if I change it to down, now height, the window, what we can say is the web page height is decreased. The Google web page, whatever is there, it is decreased, right? The height. Now if I check the inner height, it is 312. Okay, if you check the outer height, it is 1040 only. Now if I decrease somewhat the web page, if I increase it, so now what it will do is window.inner height will be increased to 497, but the outer height will remain same, 1040. If I decrease the browser itself, complete browser itself, if I decrease, now let's see what could be. Outer height also decreases. See, instead of 1040, now we got 707. But inner height also it will take the web page, how much web page it is appearing in the browser, it will give you the height of that one. So this is the three differences between the inner height and the outer height, and inner width and the outer width. Now we can also have in the window, we will have another thing called as local storage. Okay, local storage, we can, if you want to set, you can also set item by using key or something like that, and you can use the 1000 value, so that if you want to get that item in any time, you can get that item by using like this. So it is the key value pair. So advantage of this one is, so this local storage is persistent. Persistent means if you close the browser and come afterwards also, this will remain. Local storage will remain. And there is also another one called as session storage. Okay, session storage, same thing, it will be set item, so key of 1000 something like that, it will be there. And if you want to get session storage dot get item, you will be having, and if you can try with key like this. So this one also it will remain like that only. But what is the main difference between the local storage and session storage is, session storage will go away whenever we close the tab or we close the browser. Okay, whenever we close the tab or the browser, session storage will go away, but local storage will be persist like that only. So this one is the main difference between the local storage and the session storage. And also we will be having another one called as window.location. So we'll be having another one called as window.location. Okay, window.location. If we check that window.location, if you run here window.location, you'll be able to get some of the data. What is this? This is all related to the location of the location of the web page. Okay, we will cover this one in the next video about the location, window.location thing. Just in order to know the window.location, you will be able to, I am showing here. Okay, and also we will be having window.document also. Window.document is about this document. Okay, about this document we will be having another object in the window. We will be having a document object. We will also learn able to know about this one in the next videos. So apart from this one, you will be having another one called as window.open. In order to open the pop-up, you can use this one. So for example, if I want to open http://google.com, something like this, if I try to call this one, what will happen, you will know. So we got an option here that pop-up is blocked. So these scenarios, it will be, previously we used to do like this only, but the pop-up will be blocked because of the Chromes and Chrome browsers and all those things. But we will be not doing to open the pop-up using this window.open. But in order to show you, I am showing that window.open will open a pop-up so that google.com will be open in that pop-up. Okay, these are some of the window object properties which are used in the window object. You can have so many window things. So if you do the console.log window, and you will be able to see lot of properties in the window, but I am covering only small things. If you google it in the browser, so in the google.com, if you do it, you can able to find so many window object properties. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.